Hi, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at the sales invoice interface portion of mConnect for Sage Intacct. If you haven't seen any of the prior videos, mConnect is a tool that integrates data from ConnectWise Manage to Sage Intacct and some data back from Sage Intacct to ConnectWise Manage. Again, today we're going to take a look at the sales invoice interface. This is where we pull data from Manage when invoices are created and put it into Intacct. So to do that, I've got our Happy Acres customer here that we're going to send an invoice to. So I'm just going to create invoices and let ConnectWise do all that work just like normal. And you can follow your same processes. You can follow the same workflows, approvals, anything like that that you would need to normally do. All of that is unaffected by our integration. All we simply need to do with our interface is to insert a process. So if I take a look at this invoice, you can see that it was generated to Happy Acres, Harleen Quinzel, Gotham City, New Jersey. And if we look at the products, we have two products here, some Cisco equipment and a workstation that we're selling them. So I'll go back to the invoice. Our interface works off of the billing status. So when I'm looking at this screen, if I've gone through all the approvals, if it's been emailed out to whoever needs to see it, all I really need to do to make it go to Intacct is change to Ready for Intacct. That status is customizable. The process is customizable. We can work really with just about any type of process that you would have or need. So I'm going to change that to Ready for Intacct. Give it a moment here, and it should be interfacing that over to Sage Intacct. I'll come over to Sage Intacct. I'm going to refresh this screen, and we should see 312 pop up for Happy Acres. And indeed we do. So the invoice did come across. If I click in to edit the invoice, you'll see that we are bringing this invoice over to order entry, which we do have the capability to interface into order entry or straight into accounts receivable. And we can talk about the benefits of both. And you see here our items, the Cisco, the workstation. It's our New York location, so we're pulling that from the territory, or I'm sorry, the location here, the New York office. So we're bringing that over as a dimension. We've got our department for infrastructure, which is at the line item level. And then we've got a field here coming from the actual customer record as well. So populating all the data, moving it over to Sage Intacct, creating invoices, and allowing you to have the capabilities to use all the dimensions and all the other aspects that folks have come to know and love about Sage Intacct, with a direct real-time interface connection to ConnectWise Manage. So that's the sales invoice video for mConnect. If you have any questions, please reach out, contact us. We're happy to do demos or anything else you might need. Thank you so much.